Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can change your title in Valorant, and to do that you are going to go to collection and you are going to go to the player cards. Here you can go to equip titles, and my one is currently stellar, but there's a lot to choose from. There's just a lot, and some of them, well, most of them are unlocked because I haven't reached those levels yet, but I like the stellar one. There is also arcane, biohazard, cheap cupcake, harbinger, I don't know how to pronounce that. And you can also change your level porters here, and you can also press the show my account level on my player card or not. So for instance, if you're in a game and you don't want people to know your level, you can like unclick that. And to equip title, you're just going to like press one. I'm just going to try Trailblazer, and then that's it. You just pretty much want to click on it, and yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!